Assalamualaikum. My name Muhammad Anif Farhan bin Abdul Rahman. My metric number is 01DDT23F1186. Today I want to explain our coding um, to make a solution for a case study 1. So first we create a package that name is info. So we organize this class under the info package and we import a java.util.star to use the scanner class for the input. After that, we create a class that name is employee. So the employee we declare a several private like a name, employee ID, department, salary, email, phone number, address, and the position. So for the for the data type, only a salary use a double because it have a points, and other is we use a string. After that, for the constructor, as we know, the constructor we don't use a class name, so we do a public employee bracket, and then uh, we put a scanner equal to new scanner system in because we use a class of scanner package util. After that, for the name, employee ID, department, email, phone number, address, and the position, um, we use scanner.nextLine because there is a string. And then for this dot name, we use for to make sure that the programming is not confused to to declare the attribute. So for the input for salary, is handled using next double because the salary have a points. Like example, 1,500 20 cents. So that's have a point. At the end, um, the scanner dot close is function to close the input stream. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Razak bin Marzwan. My matrix number is 01DDT23F009. Today I'm going to explain a method display employee info. So this method starts with a simple header, which is employee details. Then the name, employee ID, department, email, address, and position are converted to uppercase before being displayed using this code. And the salary and phone numbers are printed as they were entered by the user. So we'll look at the second method, the public double calculated bonus, which is the calculated bonus, is accept the integer value. So this method calculates the employee bonus based on their performance rating. If the bonus rating is between 80 to 100, the bonus is set to 1,000. If the rating is between 50 and 79, the bonus is 800. For the rating below 50, the bonus will be 500. The last method we will look at is display employee bonus. This method call from the method calculate bonus to determine the bonus based on the performance rating passed to the method. So after calculating the bonus, it prints the employee names, the tab, the departments, and their salary, and lastly the calculated bonus. And that's all for the employee class. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Raimi bin Muhammad Riza and my matrix number is 01DDT23F1111. And now after the coding about the employee.java, and I will be continue about the test employee.java. And now we will continue about the code about the program. First, import info.employee. This method is been using because they want to calling back from the employee.java. And next, a public class test employee, and this class name test employee because the question might need to use test employee. And we use public static void main string args and employee scanner new employee. It's because about our employee creating an object. Name scanner type of employee is creating by use the default is our default constructor to assume that there is a class employee in the info package. And next, and next is display employee info. Um, for this method, it's been using to calling display employee info. This method display employee info is called in the scanner object. This method is expect to print or display the details of the employee. Okay, so for the last program is scanner.display employee bonus performance rating. This method is we use to calling display employee bonus that's name display employee bonus. It's because this method will be display employee bonus with is called with the arguments performance rating. So this method will calculate and display the employee bonus based on their performance rating. So that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you to my previous team members. Now, I will show you how to run the code and let's see what are the output looks like. First, we need to locate the files first. As we can see here, it's located in D. Here we have test employee.java and package a folder named info, which will be the package info. Inside it, we will have employee.java. We will now to run the code. First, we must compile it. To compile it and run it, we will use command prompt. First, we must enter the file location, which is D, and then we compile it, Java, info slash employee.java and test employee.java. As we can see here, there's no error showing, which means it's a good sign. And let's run the code. We will run test employee and then we press enter. So let's continue. The name gonna be Zaid, employee ID 11254, department multimedia, salary 40,000 without any symbol or letters, email phone number and address. The last one, position. Executive. And then enter. As we can see here, there's a new part of output showed up. This part comes from this method. It will take the input that we just insert and then use the two uppercase method to change the small letter into the capital letter. My apologize. This here. Okay, and then this last part here comes from in this method? Well, at least there's output that can be shown here. As we can see, the name Zaid same with the first input. Also the multimedia, the department here, and then salary. This bonus comes from this declaration. Inside it, there's a parameter that refers to this method parameter. So, as a result, this part is the input. This part will be the first output, and this one gonna be the second output. As we can see, there's no error, and it runs smoothly without any problems. And that's it from me. Thank you.